Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel USA Stock Market Technicals. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas celebrations and I wish you a very happy 2021. Let's get back to analysis. As you can see, the analysis is being followed beautifully and we are enjoying the new bubble in the stock market which is continuously rising, and we are trying to trade it with a stop loss and try to control our risk, keeping it small and having a big profit. As I had mentioned earlier, like I had suggested a buying level near 29,531 in my previous videos. The market has closed much above it and it has achieved the other targets as well, from below which I had mentioned earlier. Now it has closed above 30,239, okay, which was the very important target for us. So we have achieved that. Now the future targets are going to be 31,323 and 32,704. Okay, these are the important targets for Dow Jones index. This is the Dow Jones index we are looking at, and it has done a very strong closing. And if it consolidates over here or it tries to touch this level of 30229, then it's a buying opportunity with a small stop loss of 50 to 100 points, not more than that, and it should be taken. Okay, there's a lot of money pumping in this US stock market. A lot of bubbles are being formed, a financial bubble or a Bitcoin bubble, whatever you call it. We'll enjoy it, we'll try to make money in it with a small stop loss, keeping our risk small and reward big. So if someone buys at this point also, supposing if it shows a dip of 30,000 to 30 level, then it's going to be a buying opportunity. Okay, but right now it's not the buying opportunity, so I'm not buying anymore over here. I'm just holding. Once it reaches this point, I'll try to book part profit, and if it falls back, then I'll see. So I'll go day by day, week by week. I'm just holding my positions which I had made earlier much below. I'm just going to enjoy them, have fun with them, and just let it go, let it flow. I'll keep trailing my stop loss. How do I trail my stop loss? I'll trail it 200 points below it, 50% of my position, so that I can book my profit. And I'll keep looking at it, as it goes higher and higher, and I'll just try to book my profit according to that. So this was Dow Jones Index. It has given a very good closing. As you can see from my past videos, I was bullish on the market. I'm not bullish in the sense uh, I don't approve of the reasons why it's rising. The Fed pumping money and all those stimulus, which is bad for the economy, but the market is rising. But I want to trade with the trend, so I will just follow what's happening and try to make money if possible. So that's what I'm trying to do, and I'm just trying to follow the trend. I'm not criticizing the market. Why is it rising? It shouldn't rise. The economy is doing bad. Oh, this is not real. This can. I know it's not. I'm with you guys, but it's all about making money in the stock market. So we are here to make money, not to criticize or make excuses of not making money. Okay, and by this at the same time we should make money with a small risk, not a big risk. So if I buy over here, it's going to be a big risk, because if it falls from here, it's going to fall 400 points. Okay, so I'll just enjoy my positions which I had made earlier. I had made some positions at 29,500 levels, and it had fallen down to that level. I had mentioned in my previous video that if it drops down to this support level, it will be a buying opportunity. So I added a small amount over here, and then I let it flow. I just don't want to trade anymore. I just want to keep a stop loss and just keep smiling looking at the screen. I don't want to take the headache of any other thing. So this is how I trade. This is how I take positions. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Now let's move to the Nasdaq index. Okay, Nasdaq, as you can see, it's even stronger than the other indices, and it has given a beautiful closing. If it consolidates at this level then we can definitely see a next target of uh, 13,212. Okay, the New York core 212, 13,212. Okay, that's the level we can see, and the other levels which can come after that are 13,936, 14,414. But if it falls, our stop loss should be like, my trading stop loss right now is 12,550. I'm keeping that as my stop loss because I'm enjoying my profits from below. So I just want to have a little more fun and let it flow, let it flow. Let's flow with the trend, guys. So if it falls over here again at around 12,000, it's going to be a buying opportunity, and we'll see how it goes over there, and then we'll try to see what happens. If it falls much below that, keeping 100 point stop loss, you can do that. You can control your risk, but at the moment I don't see it going down too much, because 12,600 and 600 level will act as a good support, and it is around 250 points above it. So if it consolidates over here for a week or so, that's fine by me. It can go slowly up. I have positions in futures. I don't do options much, so I'll be happy with what I'm doing. So that's what I want to tell what I'm doing. I just want to share that. Now let's go to the um, S&P 500. So S&P 500 is also like, like all the indices which I had analyzed, or you can say forecasted or sort of predicted. I don't want to use the word prediction because it's trading is a probability game. You think about the probability of earning money. If you buy at this level, you sell at that level. So this has closed at the support level, so I'm back with you guys, and it has taken the support exactly at the level which I had kind of said that it will take support at. It just came down so that the smart money could capture more amount of S&P 500 positions at 35.95, and again they took it up to 37.58. So, and it has given a beautiful closing above the level which I had mentioned. So most of the targets which I had told you guys earlier are coming step by step, one by one. So let's wait for the next target of 3,881. Okay, and 4,066 or 65, what you can say, and the next target is 42.67. How do we control our risk? If we are in a winning position, then we use a stop loss of 100 points, 50 points, 75 points, or 200 points. Depends on your risk profile, how much you want to risk, how much you want to ride the trend. So it all depends on you. So that's all I would like to say. Like, trading is all about risk and reward, and it's a very simple statement. Follow the trend is a simple statement, but nobody is able to control the emotions. They book profit early, they leave the trade alone, and that's what I would advise you not to do. If you have a good trade, just try to go with the trend, try to take maximum juice out of it, maximum profit out of your trade, and take your profits home, big profits home, not the small profits which scare you, because market will always try to push away the weak links, saying like, this is going to there's going to be a crash. I know there's a bubble out there waiting to explode, but let's enjoy the bubble, let's fly with it for some time with a stop loss. And like, how I do it, like, I'll tell you something. Like, if I have 5 lots, if I achieve the first target, I book nothing. If I achieve the second target, I book 2 lots of futures. If I achieve the third target, I just control my risk. Then if I achieve the fourth target, then I just book the 4 lots, and I just let the last lot flow to the max. And because I'm far away from, like, a lot of points I have as a bonus, so my risk is controlled and I have nothing to worry about. So that's what I try to do personally, and I hope you like my video, like my analysis, and you can check my past video. I'm not saying I do everything right, but everything has been working in the right direction. Whatever I had forecasted, kind of analyzed or predicted, it's going that way, and I hope you guys like that. One more very important thing I want to tell you, like how I hedge my trade. Suppose there is a gap down of 500 points what will your stop loss do? Nothing. So I hedge my trades with gold and silver ETFs, GLD and SLV. So these are my hedging tools. I have made my positions in them just with a cool mind on a long-term basis. They are not my trading. They are not my trading positions. They are kind of my investments as well as my hedging positions. So I can sleep peacefully at night. That's what I do. So I'm just sharing it. That doesn't mean that you have to do it. You have to ask your financial advisor what you should do and how you should proceed with it. And I hope you really like the information which I have put for you. So let's hope you guys come back again, and please like my channel, share my video, and subscribe to my playlists and videos. And if you have any requests, just mention in the comment section that I have subscribed to your channel and I want to request this stock analysis video. So I'll specifically do that analysis for you and share it. And I hope you find it useful in the future. Thank you so much, guys, and have a good one. Bye bye.